I have got some Traxxas stuff,
Let's have a look.
haven't we?
We have. So if you're not aware, Traxxas has actually been very difficult to come by in Australia. And we're starting to get models coming through now.
Yeah, and we're super pumped. I know it's not focused primarily racing guys will be going, oh, you're a racer dude or whatever, but it's good stuff. It's fun stuff.
It's fun stuff.
Hey, we got Bone Crusher out there. No, runs amok everywhere he goes. They make really good stuff.
It breaks bones.
Breaks bones. We got these hot rods. They sell every time they get in. They sell it really good. They look heaps better out of the box than than the box. Not that they do bad boxes.
Look at the working lights too. Where am I pointing?
They got working lights, and it's actually the one that we've got in here is this color.
How cool is that? It's
the grey with the red shadow flames. Really cool. So come in store and check that out. And it's on a 4-wheel drive chassis, much like the Kyosho Phaser. And it's got the 12-turn, I think it's the 12-turn 550 motor.
So they go pretty good too.
Yeah, so it's going to go like 50 k's an hour out of the box. Like I said, it's a 4-wheel drive powertrain. Doesn't come with a battery and a charger, but you stick your LiPo in there and off you go. And I can't confirm or deny, but I reckon it'll even go in 3S. But after our recent adventures with 3S, I probably wouldn't recommend it on a brushed motor. But then it's probably appropriately geared. But
what did you learn?
We learned in a good way. And we were going to open that motor today, didn't we? But we
gave it away.
We donated it.
That's right.
That was a donation.
So it will reappear in a different guise next week.
And a trophy.
That's right.
We can say trophy.
Can we? Are you sure we can say that?
What?
I thought it was in the safety box. Trophy.
Trophy's not in the safety
box. I'm sorry.
You're all confused. You're out of your skin today.
I am out of my mind.
Hey? And this one,
look at this.
TRX4s.
TRX4s are a favorite.
How long have these been around for?
They've been around for quite a while, and when they first came out, they were a game changer, and they're still a game changer.
These are the benchmark in crawlers.
They are.
There's new kids on the block and this and that, but if you want a diff locking, transmission gear shifting crawler with a super scale body, this is definitely your benchmark.
You can't go better than these.
And this is the blue one in the box too. Again, doesn't come with battery and charger.
Okay, very nice.
My favorite.
Special.
Do you know what's so special about this?
What?
I'm going to open it.
Oh.
Let's open it because it's comically large and it's inappropriate and it's in the way.
You sort of expect to see these flying over dunes, don't you?
If you've got if the Italians were in the dunes, yes, I would say that. I would say that's exactly what they would do. Can I do this?
Well,
I've done it.
You're doing the chop? He's done the chop. All right, you've done the chop.
I just have to be careful because there is a transmitter at one end.
Yeah. Is it that end?
No, it's not this end.
Oh, okay.
And I have ripped Traxxas out of the box before. It's like it's giving birth. It's giving birth, isn't it?
It's coming.
Whoop.
There we go.
Look at this.
That's pretty impressive with the extra axle, isn't it?
This is not a TRX4, my friend.
Where is it?
This is a TRX6. Why is it called 6?
It's got 6 wheels.
Ha ha ha. Sneaky.
Was I allowed to say that?
It's double bagged.
Isn't it?
Have a look at this bad boy. Oh, we can have a look at it actually before you put the body. Before you put the body on, let's have a look inside the guts. Let me get out here a little bit. Oh, we're out all the way and it's still too big. Here we go. Look at this. This is what you get. So it's got an adjustable sort of height battery tray.
Yeah, make it a bit crisper.
Hang on. So you can fit all sorts of batteries in here. And these I can confirm do run very healthily on 3S. Because they're crawler geared, they do not overheat the motors and stuff. They go really nice in 3S. Lots of different battery and configurations can go in here. What we can see here is our diff locking servos. So front and rear. And that takes it from open diff to, in fact, a closed diff. But if I hold that, can you please shift the front wheels to lock it up?
What am I doing?
Yeah, locked it. See that? It's locked now.
Yeah.
So it's lock drive.
Yep.
And then if we actuate it this way, and yep, it's open. How cool is that? And you can do that in the front diff and in the rear diff. And the rear diff does both of them because it does have 2 rear diffs because it is a 6x6. These exhaust pipes don't work, but they look cool. Take AMG to put lakeside pipes on a four-wheel drive, huh?
How do you know they don't work?
Well, it doesn't have a motor.
Because they're screwed into the chassis rail.
Well, yeah, it doesn't have an engine.
Right.
But yeah, super cool. Really, really super scale. Really capable.
Mhm.
In fact, the biggest criticism about these TRX6s is that they can be boring to drive because they just go over anything. Nothing slows it down.
Well, that's part of the...
And that comes from Finley. Because Finley, the train guy who was in earlier, he's got one. He's got the hauler.
That's right.
He's got the tow truck one. We should get that back in, actually, and get some videos.
What, on 3S?
Oh, just towing something around. We'll drag the Urus around. No, we won't be dragging the Urus around.
No.
So that is the underpinnings of the TRX6. I was going to say 4.
Isn't it?
Now, show us that sweet, sweet body of yours, Beach.
Which one?
No, definitely the toy car one.
Oh, this one.
Yep, definitely the... Ooh, look, and it's matte. I didn't even realize it was matte. And I love that because crawlers actually get really scarred really easily, don't they? And when you've got a matte...
They do.
Or not glossy paintwork, when you scratch them and stuff, it actually suits them really well. And this one does have LEDs. I didn't bring a LiPo in to power it up, but we've seen it last time. So these clearance lights come on, these top lights, the headlights, and the tail lights all come on, which is really cool. So that is the TRX6.
I like it.
Have a look at the gearing on it. It's obviously in first. It is really brilliant crawler. I do love this thing. I get the urge to get one, and then I regret it, and then we don't see them again for another year, and I go, I wish I had got that, and then they come back in. It's a horrible cycle.
Here's your chance.
I've heard that before, and I say, yeah.
I could wait till next time.
I'll wait till next time, and then
Yep.
next time comes, and I'm a bit emotional about it. But because they're so cool. It's one RC that I've never had a crawler thing. Would I use it? I don't know, but it just looks so
it's
friggin' cool.
Isn't it?
It is a big beast.
I even like the detail they've gone to on the sidewalls of the tires.
Yeah, and the wheels. Looks really cool. It's got the clear windows, this one, so not just stickers. It's got wipers, clearance lights, mirrors, side indicators. It is really cool. Like I said, working tail lights, which is scale Mercedes ones. It's an officially licensed product, so it had to be right. Officially licensed. I've never seen one driving down the street, but this car does actually exist.
So it comes out of the factory, or is it a modified thing?
No, it comes out of the factory.
Does it?
Yeah. Comes out of the factory. Only AMGs.
Is it designed for a particular purpose? Is it meant to be
people with lots of money who want a really big car?
Okay, well, there's the purpose.
There's the purpose.
Right.
You find a lot of them in Dubai and Qatar and the Emirates.
Okay.
And by a lot of them, there's probably 20 in the world.
Right.
But yeah, really cool.
Yeah, nice.
When I go to Dubai, I want to drive one.
Very cool.
There you go. There you have the TRX6.
Yes.